Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is brought to you by Born Pretty. They have sent me this 10 milliliter bottle of nail polish. This is the packaging they come in. We have a 10 milliliter bottle of gel polish in the color Jelly White. You can find this on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description. And right now, you can get this for $7.99 on Amazon. Look at the color, Jelly White. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get these tested and see what the coverage looks like on a set of nails. Let's get straight into the video. So we are using this jelly gel from Born Pretty, and I went ahead and prepped these nails to polish this hand. You want to remember to use thin coats when working with gel polish. This is gel polish, so remember you need a UV lamp to cure. All right, so this is the first coat. We're going to go ahead and give it a cure. Born Pretty gel polish requires you to cure anywhere from 30 to 120 seconds depending on your UV lamp. My lamp only requires 60 seconds, so I cured the first coat for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the second coat. Ooh, I'm loving this look with this jelly white. The link is in the description. You can purchase this from Amazon. All right, this is 2 coats. Let's cure this. This is 2 coats. I really like the way this looks, but I want to see how it's going to look with 3 coats. So let's try it with the 3rd coat. This is cute. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this look. It's the Jelly Gel by Born Pretty. It's in a 10 milliliter bottle, and you can purchase this on Amazon. I have the link in the description. If you like this color or any of these colors, I have both link in the descriptions. They're from the Born Pretty collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. How do y'all like these jelly white nails? Let me know in the comment section below. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.